The nightfall, wet dreams, and swapnadosh refers to nocturnal emission. This is a male disorder, where the sperm and semen come out involuntarily during the sleep. It is advisable to do these 10 yoga poses to reduce regular nocturnal emission. The symptoms of nightfall at age May 28 be stress, obesity, and due to chronic disease like diabetes. The No-Fall and Maha Rasayan capsules are recommended natural pills to stop seminal discharge in the morning. The 10 yoga poses to reduce regular nocturnal emission are as follows. Asho Mukha Asana, Asvinamudra Asana, Baddhakona Asana, Vajrasana, Varakasana, Karma Mudra Yogasana, Kundalini Yogasana, Matsya Asana, Fish Pose, Parasarita Pada Uttanasana, Tantra Yogasana. The 10 symptoms of nightfall at age 28 are as follows. Anorexia. Premature ejaculation will occur while in copulation. You may feel weak throughout the day. You may get muscle cramps while sleeping. You may feel inflammation while passing urine. Sleeplessness will be a major issue for the men suffering with nightfall. Diminished eyesight. Fever. Your face will become pale. Mood swing. The symptoms of nightfall at age May 28 differ with present state of health and if any chronic diseases like diabetes and high blood pressure. The natural pills to stop seminal discharge in the morning are No-Fall and Maha Rasayan capsules. They contain the powerful herbs to curb male disorders. These have been proven since the ancient times. The herbs are naturals. They do not cause any side effects. You can consume them whenever you feel any of the above said symptoms. You can stop them when you find not more nightfall for a longer period. You can also do the above 10 yoga poses to reduce regular nocturnal emission naturally from home. How to consume naturals for nocturnal emission from home. The natural pills to stop seminal discharge in the morning may take 3 to 4 months courses from home. The No-Fall and Maha Rasayan capsules are 2 combo pack of natural supplements to cure seminal discharge in the morning. You can take 1 capsule from each pack and consume together with water or milk. Consume these pills daily twice in the morning and night after food. The symptoms of nightfall at age 28 may be any. It will be better to do the above mentioned 10 yoga poses to reduce regular nocturnal emission and consume these naturals. You must stop consuming junk foods and eat a balanced diet. You must drink plenty of water after food while in this natural remedy to treat nocturnal emission from home. The above mentioned 10 yoga poses to reduce regular nocturnal emission is the natural way to curb this male disorder. You can buy No-Fall and Maha Rasayan capsules online as non-prescription herbal remedies to cure nightfall. You can find more details about No-Fall and Maha Rasayan capsules at dropshipherbalsupplements.com.